I work as a chief technologist at a pharmaceutical plant in Smolensk. 6 months ago, the management of our company made it a part of the production development plan to launch a new product, medicine for colds and flu in pills. To organize the process, it was necessary to purchase equipment and obtain documents for product certification. According to the requirements of drug certification bodies, we are required to produce a trial batch of the product and make laboratory tests of cold and flu tablets. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. This requires analytical equipment, which we also decided to buy for the tablets packing station. We did not have equipment for polishing and removing dust from the surface of tablets, which is used in the production of tablets, to give a smooth surface to the drug. In the process of manufacturing tablets, as well as their subsequent movement from the matrix to the storage container, the tablets come into contact with the remains of the powder. As a result, a dusty film is formed on the surface of the tablet. The quality and performance of our offered equipment suited us, and we decided to consider this manufacturer. I got the phone number of the company's sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this equipment was out of stock and offered another option. I carefully studied the proposed unit, but it turned out that it is not suitable for laboratory research and used in the production of large loads. I rejected the suggested variant and searched for another one. I was looking for a machine that was as efficient as possible, safe for the worker, made of durable material. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions and easy to operate. I started my search for equipment to polish and dust the surface of tablets with the confidence that I would immediately find the necessary equipment. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I did my search through the internet. I chose according to geographic location, delivery terms, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options, because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. I then searched for equipment for polishing and dusting the surface of tablets from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 6 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by searching the site of the companies. The length of work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of prices were of great importance. At first I called a Chinese mediator. His price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount of the order was much higher than what was shown on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I investigated more attentively the website of the Krasnodar company. I looked at the prices and delivery terms, but I was alerted by the fact that this company is also engaged in the delivery of shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with equipment for polishing and removing dust from the surface of tablets, and polishing tablets in a specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian middlemen from Moscow. In advance I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website. It was modern, structured, and had a lot of videos. I called the manager of the company and got a good consultation on the possible option of a dust collector. The specialist told me about the features of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, cited the experience of past customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. Contaminated tablets are removed from the total mass into a special box. We were satisfied with the tablet deduster recommended and supplied by a specialist from a company in Moscow. I plan to contact the manager of this company for advice and purchase of other equipment for the organization of the production of tablets for colds and flu, and I am confident that he will pick up high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the problem and free up time that can be spent with the benefit of yourself.